this. Okay. Okay, right here. Oh, this is the ano already. Oh my gosh. Hi, yes, I'm following. Okay, okay. Hey, oh, yeah, okay. Maybe Mark is there, but I think they were gonna follow. Oh, wait, the bed first. No! Oh, yes. Oh. It's just another portal. Okay, I sleep here. Wait. Oh, is bed too far away? I like the blue one though. Okay, so they like green. Hi. Oh, I see my ano right now. Leave bed, I think. Okay. Oh no. I think I have to use the different bed because I don't know how I can be able to spawn. So, yeah. Thank you. Hi, thank you. There's a reflection on my screen. Oh, we're five already? Yeah, it's five. Here they are. Okay, where are we? Okay. Guys, hi, hello. Okay, so these are my best friends, the circle of best friends of Mahler, and quite a sleeping time together. Oh, that was cruel, Eugene. Okay. Oh my god. Don't do that. Oh, Mons. I just kid. Wait, do you? No. Okay, house. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I quit. Oh no! I quit. Gosh, I just fine. We already reached Stronghold.